Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Xiaomi Redmi 10C. So, as we all know, the Fortnite is not available on Google Play Store, but we can try searching for it. Let's write Fortnite. Hit the search button and there's no results, as I mentioned. Now let's try Epic Games Launcher, and this one you can download from Epic Games Store website. Here you can see the Fortnite, click Get, and we can install it. So that means Xiaomi Redmi 10C supports Fortnite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.